We're taking a look at the Healthe AIR Troffer by Healthe Lighting. Now this fixture is designed to both provide general illumination and air disinfection in a space. The Healthe AIR actually disinfects the air with a two-part process. The first is a carbon-activated HEPA filter. The air first flows through that filter to get any larger particles out of the air, and then it flows through a channel inside the troffer that also has UVA and UVC LEDs that disinfect the air once it's been filtered. Then the clean air comes out this far side of the fixture. Let's take a look at the process for replacing the carbon-activated HEPA filter on this fixture. Take a screwdriver and remove the grate using the two screws. And once these screws have been removed, we'll remove the grate from the outer portion, and the HEPA filter clips into place. So the clips can be slightly moved to unclip the filter itself. Once this is removed, you can get your new filter. Again, this is done about every 6 months, and replace the filter simply and easily by pressing it inside the clips. Once that's done, we'll simply replace the vent cover. And with that, filter maintenance is done on the Healthe AIR Troffer. Now we're going to take a look at replacing the UVA and UVC LED board inside the troffer. This piece of maintenance needs to be done about every 2,000 hours to ensure that you're getting the proper disinfection output from the LEDs inside the fixture. I've gone ahead and removed 4 of the 6 screws that hold this panel down, and we'll remove the final 2 here. This allows us to remove the back panel on the fixture where the UVA and UVC LEDs are mounted. We also need to disconnect the clip here. So I'll disconnect the wires that are powering the LED. And then this panel, which again includes the 4 LED boards that have the UVA and UVC LEDs. Once you have this disconnected, you can replace this with a fresh board from Healthe Lighting with the new LEDs. And then it's as simple as placing the cover back on and screwing it back in place with the 6 screws provided. One thing to be sure about with this fixture is once you've replaced the back panel, you do need to plug the power supply back in for the LED boards so that those will illuminate while the disinfection cycle is running. So I've done that, and we'll go ahead and tighten the rest of these screws down. And with that, maintenance is complete with the Healthe AIR Troffer. To recap, maintenance is pretty simple on the Healthe AIR Troffer. The HEPA filter needs to be replaced about every 6 months, and the LED board in the back of the unit that does the air disinfection also needs to be replaced about every 2,000 hours.